What the f is your alright, man? Side lane it is, man. Y'all know I'm not playing with y'all this morning.
Go past this light, then at the next one, use the left lane to turn onto Grays Ferry Avenue.
Side lane me. Get right back in traffic like it's...
At the light, use the left lane to turn onto Grays Ferry Avenue.
You. Look, see, look. Try and be grown. Look, you just hit that bullshit. See? Look at you, like, worried about me. Look. Drawing ass dude. Don't worry about me. That's what I'm keep telling y'all.
Come on in, the weather's dreadful. We always have a room to spare.
Convenient car.
Don't drive off. Don't drive off.
Who's gonna pay for that?
Nope, it's on
Who's
video.
paying for that? Who's paying for that? Who's paying for that? You're gonna pay for it.
It's on video.
You're gonna pay for it.
It's on video. Back up, bro. Don't get close to me.
You're gonna pay for it.
No, you're not paying. Not paying.
I think all of that should be around like 60 something bucks. I'm still missing something. I don't know. I don't have a good idea.
Maybe we should help this guy out.